Look at that! Wow! So, syempre guys, ang ating perfect bite. At tingnan nyo, oh. Grabe, napaka-vibrant ng color. Tingnan nyo, papakita ko sa inyo kung gaano kalambot ang... Yeah, look at the bones! My goodness! Smells so good. My homemade Spanish sardines. But it has a lot of sauce. So I think I need to put a little more time. So, okay. But my goodness, guys! Hindi ko in-expect na ganito siya. Feeling ko, mukha na siyang masarap, guys. Kahit hindi pa siya tapos. Yung buto niya. Slow cooking. Yan, kainin ko tong buo para talagang maniwala kayo na nakakain ko yung buto. Buto. Yung tinik. Yung sardines bones. Guys. Tapos hindi siya malansa. Feeling ko, dahil hinugasan ko itong mabuti. Tapos, yung suka. Tapos yung peppercorn. Sarap, guys. Tingnan nyo. Yung tatlong nilagay ko. Halos maubos ko. Guys, kahit ito yung kainin ko, okay na ako. Rich in protein. Omega-3. Super yummy and healthy. No preservatives. So guys, kung ako sa inyo, pwede nyo rin itong inegosyo, guys. Napakasarap. Yummy. So, if you like this, please don't forget to like and subscribe and comment. And maybe we're going to make another recipe about sardines. Comment down below if you are team oil or team tomato sauce. Kasi yun ang pwede din natin gawin yun, tomato sauce.